0.7 of a second is roughly the difference between a voice agent that feels responsive and one that makes you wonder whether the call dropped. xAI says its new Grok Voice Think Fast 2.0 reaches first audio in 0.70 seconds. The old model was listed at 1.25 seconds and Gemini 3.1 flash high at 2.98. But a launch table is not a demo, so we pinned the live endpoint to the new model and ran it. This is the official xAI WebSocket client, connected to Grok Voice Think Fast 2.0. The transcript and event stream are live. Our first audio number on this single run was 651 milliseconds from response create to the first returned audio chunk. That is not a benchmark. It includes this machine, this network, and one prompt. What it does prove is that the released model responds through the public API, produces audio, and can be measured directly instead of judged from a poster. Now to the official benchmark table. xAI lists an 82.9% overall score on Artificial Analysis Speech-to-Speech Index. That is above GPT Real-Time 2.1 high at 79.1 and Gemini 3.1 flash high at 69.5 in the published comparison. Speech reasoning is tighter, 97.2 versus 97.1 for Think Fast 1.0. The bigger jumps appear in conversational dynamics, tool use, and speed. Full duplex dynamics rise from 77.8 to 95.1. The agentic voice score rises from 52.1 to 56.5. The architecture claim is the interesting part. xAI says Think Fast models reason while they speak. In other words, the model does not wait to finish one hidden reasoning block before it starts talking. Version 2.0 is also trained to use fewer reasoning tokens, with a reported median of 0.4 times the old model per response. xAI says that lets tool calls fire before the first sentence is finished. That matters when the agent has to search an order, check inventory, or route a caller without filling the silence with awkward small talk. Here is the most useful independent moving proof we found from launch day. A Japanese developer connects the new model inside xAI's voice agent builder, speaks in a Kansai dialect, and triggers a web search tool. The important part is not the presenter's verdict. It is the visible state change. The call is active, the transcript advances, the tool event appears, and the system returns to the conversation. We are using a short muted excerpt with our own analysis, not reposting the source audio. xAI's largest claim is transcription. The company says it evaluated thousands of short phrases across 24 languages and saw a 1.5 to 2 times improvement over DeepGram Nova 3 and 11 Labs Scribe v2, plus a 1.4 times improvement over Think Fast 1.0. In noisy and telephony compressed audio, xAI says the gap grows to about 10 times. Those are vendor-reported results. The launch post does not provide enough raw evaluation data for us to reproduce them, so treat them as a reason to test your own calls, not as a guarantee. The conversational tuning may matter just as much. The model is trained to use shorter sentences, ask one question at a time, and cut filler. That is exactly what voice workflows need. Long, polished paragraphs sound impressive in chat. Over a phone line, they create interruption problems, lost intent, and frustrated callers. The useful target is not the prettiest voice. It is a system that hears the request, takes the right action, and gives the shortest complete answer. Migration is simple but time-sensitive. On August 5, 2026, the Grok Voice-Latest alias is scheduled to move from Think Fast 1.0 to 2.0. xAI says existing prompts should improve without edits. If a production workflow cannot absorb behavior changes, pin Grok Voice Think Fast 1.0 before that date and run an A/B test. The new model is priced at 8 cents per minute of audio versus 5 cents for version 1.0. That is a 60% price increase. Faster speech has to earn that premium through shorter calls, better task completion, or fewer human handoffs. Who should move first? Teams already using Grok Voice for support or sales should test it now, especially if latency, accents, background noise, or tool timing cause failures. Who should wait? Anyone with regulated calls, fragile tool schemas, or no replayable evaluation set. A lower benchmark number does not replace consent, retention, escalation, or audit controls. Use a 5-part test. Feed it your hardest accents and technical names. Add real background noise. Measure time to first audio and total task completion. Force 1 tool failure and 1 human handoff. Then compare cost per resolved call, not cost per minute. If the containment and conversion gains xAI reports survive your own traffic, the extra cents are easy to justify. If they do not, the headline number does not matter. The short verdict is this: Think Fast 2.0 looks like a meaningful voice agent upgrade, and the live API is real. The speed and tool use claims are the most promising. The transcription lead is the claim that still needs the most independent testing. Tell me the noisiest voice workflow you want tested next, and I'll build the comparison.